Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Canva to Mailchimp. We'll explore the simple steps to integrate your stunning visual designs directly into your email campaigns. This guide will help you streamline your workflow, ensuring your emails look professional and engaging. You'll learn to bridge the gap between design creation and email distribution, making your marketing efforts more cohesive and impactful. Get ready to elevate your email game with beautiful, consistent branding. When designing in Canva, consider Mailchimp's typical email width, often around 600 pixels. Focus on creating clear, concise visuals that convey your message effectively. Ensure your images are high resolution for crisp display, but also optimized for web to maintain fast loading times. Utilize Canva's various design elements to craft an engaging layout that will capture your audience's attention and encourage interaction within your email. Canva offers convenient ways to get your designs into Mailchimp. You can often use a direct integration feature, or simply download your design as a high-quality image file, like a PNG or JPEG. When downloading, ensure the resolution is suitable for email, typically 72 dots per inch. This step is crucial for maintaining visual fidelity and ensuring your beautiful design translates perfectly into your email campaign. Once your design is ready, head over to Mailchimp. You can easily upload your image files into your email template using the drag-and-drop editor. Position your visual content strategically to enhance readability and engagement. Always remember to send a test email to yourself and colleagues. This allows you to check how your design appears on various devices and make any necessary adjustments before sending it to your entire audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.